Good morning. This is Miss Palomino from Highlandtown Elementary Middle School, number 237. Today is April 30th, 2020, and this week we are continuing to learn about foods. Let's get started. All right, so yesterday was Wednesday, April 29th, 2020. Today is Thursday, April 30th, 2020, and tomorrow will be Friday, May 1st, 2020. The weather in Baltimore, the high temperature will be 64 degrees, the low temperature will be 54 degrees, and today it will rain. Just to remind you, schools to remain closed through May 15th. Las escuelas estarán cerradas hasta el 15 de mayo, pero también puede cambiar. No sabemos todavía. Tenemos que esperar hasta lo que dice el gobierno. All right, so Larry Hogan is the governor of Maryland. He is the leader of the state. Governor Hogan of Maryland has ordered that people in Maryland stay home except essential workers. So a mail carrier is an essential worker. A delivery person, whoops, me equivoqué. Debe ser delivery person. A delivery person is an essential worker. A plumber is an essential worker. An electrician is an essential worker. A truck driver is an essential worker. A bus driver is an essential worker. A farmer is an essential worker. So on March 30th, 2020, Governor Hogan gave a stay-at-home order. So Marylanders must stay at home unless fulfilling an essential function, such as picking up food or medications. Entonces, deben quedarse en casa, pero sí pueden salir si están comprando comida o medicamento. If you're seeking urgent medical care, si necesitan, si necesitan ver un doctor y es urgente, reporting to an essential job, or engaging in outdoor recreation within a safe distance from others. O si quieren salir para hacer ejercicio, sí, también pueden salir. All right, every Friday we will be distributing food at Highlandtown, number 237, from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. There is also food at Patterson Park in the Virginia S. Baker Recreation Center on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday from 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. There is also food at Lutheran Breath of God Church. The address is 141 South Clinton Street, Baltimore, Maryland, 21224. That's available on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. So if you need food, si necesitan comida, pueden recogerlo aquí en esta church, Lutheran Breath of God Church, Patterson Park, or on Fridays at Highlandtown. Pero recomiendo que vengan temprano porque normalmente hay mucha gente. All right, so today the objective is I can identify dairy products and grains using a graphic organizer. I can identify dairy products and grains using a graphic organizer. So the agenda today, we are going to listen, we are going to speak, we are going to read, we are going to write, and we are going to text or email a photo of our work to Miss Palomino. So your paper should look something like this, with the date, April 30th, 2020, one list of 10 dairy products, and another list of 10 grains. So dairy products, a la izquierda son dairy products and grains. A la derecha es una foto de grains. Dairy products están a la izquierda, grains a la derecha. Cereal, cereal, cereal. Milk, milk, milk. Chocolate milk, chocolate milk, chocolate milk. Tortilla, tortilla, tortilla. Cheese, cheese, cheese. Bread, bread, bread. Yogurt, yogurt, yogurt. Rice, rice, rice. Butter, butter, butter. Margarine, margarine, margarine. Butter, mantequilla, margarine, margarine. Pasta, pasta, pasta. Ice cream, ice cream, ice cream. Cracker, cracker, cracker. Pretzel, pretzel, pretzel. Whipped cream, whipped cream, whipped cream. Bagel, bagel, bagel. Me gusta poner cream cheese on my bagel. Cream cheese, cream cheese, cream cheese. Muffin, muffin, muffin. Sour cream, sour cream, sour cream. Quinoa, quinoa, quinoa. Para revisar, quinoa, sour cream, muffin, cream cheese, bagel, whipped cream, pretzel, cracker, ice cream, pasta, margarine, butter, rice, yogurt, bread, cheese, tortilla, chocolate milk, milk, cereal, cereal, milk, chocolate milk, tortilla, cheese, bread, yogurt, rice, butter, margarine, pasta, ice cream, cracker, pretzel, whipped cream, bagel, cream cheese, muffin, sour cream, quinoa. We learned 20 words today. Quinoa, sour cream, muffin, cream cheese, bagel, whipped cream, bagel de nuevo, pretzel, margarine, cracker, ice cream, pasta, butter, rice, yogurt, bread, cheese, tortilla or tortilla, milk, chocolate milk. For this activity, you will need a piece of paper and a pencil. You will write the date, April 30th, 2020, a list of 10 dairy products, a list of 10 grains. 10 dairy products and 10 grains. Dairy products, grains. Y van a poner estas palabras, the words that we learned today, into your graphic organizer. ¿Cuáles palabras son dairy products y cuáles palabras son grains? 10 dairy products, 10 grains. You're going to take a photo of your work. So take a photo of your work with your phone and send the photo to Miss Palomino, email, WhatsApp, or Google Classroom. If you have questions, si tienen preguntas, or you want to talk o quieren hablar, you can call or text Miss Palomino. Me pueden llamar o me pueden mandar un text y estoy disponible para contestar your texts, your calls from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m., Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Entonces, si tienen preguntas, por favor, llámame o mándame un text. All right, I will talk to you tomorrow. Have a good day. Bye-bye.